In this video, you'll learn how to buy a Udemy course effectively. By following these steps, you will be able to navigate the Udemy platform, select your desired course, and complete your purchase with confidence. Start by logging into your Udemy account. You can do this either through the website or the mobile app. Once you are logged in, locate the search bar at the top of the page. Enter the name of the course you wish to purchase or browse through various categories such as business, programming, design, or personal development. This will help you discover courses that meet your interests and learning goals. After conducting your search, review the course details, including the description, instructor profile, ratings, and student reviews. This information is crucial for determining if the course will fulfill your learning needs. After you've found the course that interests you, click on the course title to open its dedicated page. On this page, you will find the option to either click Buy Now or Add to Cart. Selecting Buy Now will take you directly to the checkout page, while Add to Cart allows you to continue browsing for additional courses before making a purchase. If you choose to proceed to the checkout page, review the course price, and look for any promotional discounts or coupon codes that may apply, make sure to enter your payment details accurately, including credit card or debit card information, and double check your billing information prior to finalizing the transaction. Once you've confirmed your payment, Udemy will process your transaction. A confirmation message will appear indicating that your purchase was successful. The course will now be added to your account library. After this step, navigate to the My Learning section of your Udemy account to access your newly purchased course. You will find it listed among your available courses, making it easy to locate. Click on the course title to begin watching the lessons immediately. Udemy typically offers lifetime access to most purchased courses, allowing you to learn at your own pace. You can track your progress, revisit lessons as needed, and complete the course at a time that suits you best. Furthermore, completing the course may also earn you a certificate of completion, which can be beneficial for showcasing your new skills. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.